Here are 60,000 plastic bags, the number used in the USA every 5 seconds. Here are 106,000 aluminium cans, the number used in the USA every 30 seconds. Here are 2 million plastic bottles, the number thrown away in the USA every 5 minutes. Here are 426,000 mobile phones, the number retired in the USA every single day. Here are 2.4 million pieces of plastic, which is the number of pounds of plastic that enter the Pacific Ocean every single hour. Fast forward to the year 2050. Population and pollution have spiraled out of control. The misguided and selfish actions of generations past have led to an astronomical rubbish build-up with adverse environmental effects, extreme and ill-planned urban sprawl, unbearable cramped conditions and high-density living. Furthermore, the irresponsible use of resources has accelerated a move towards erratic climatic conditions. The people of 2050 have had no choice but to act. Architects have risen to a new level within society, now being viewed as starchitects because of the remarkable impact each can make. Introducing Benjamin Payne, Francesca Meldrum, and Andrew Stent. With new approaches to readapting waste products of generations past into construction components, these starchitects convert scrap metal from old cars into structural framing elements and old computer casings into recycled plastic benchtops. With their powers combined, they will save your planet. Set on a 40 by 12.5 meter site, these starchitects have created an inventive and sustainable design that only takes up half of the land. This gives the potential for the design to be replicated upon the other half of the site in the future. The green wall on the south facade allows for urban gardening. Each grid section houses a variety of fruits, vegetables and herbs. As the green wall is constructed a mere 1 meter distance from the house, access for inhabitants is easy and simply involves reaching out of one of the various windows. The green wall on the north facade is made up of deciduous plants and vines that create valuable shade in summer, reducing temperature transfer, but then drop their leaves in winter, allowing for important heat gain. The entire green wall outer structure creates pockets of green view from within the building. This sought-after connection with nature shall be particularly important in 2050, when public parks and natural green areas will most likely have depleted dramatically. The concrete foundations are made of light-form CFC-free panels. These panels contain 10% post-consumer polystyrene. The framing of the house is in steel. The use of steel significantly reduces the total amount of secondary structural materials needed for construction. The steel used was made of 2/3 steel scrap obtained from recycled old cars. The doors and major appliances were also constructed of scrap metal steel. The cladding panels are made of lightweight nail light panels. These panels are made up of 52% resin obtained from old computer housings. They are extremely lightweight, snap together for ease of construction, and are practically maintenance-free. The insulation for the house is made of recovered newsprint material. The amount of insulation used in this house is approximately the amount of newspapers that an individual would recycle in 100 years. A fibre bond wall system was used, which is made of 50% gypsum and 50% recycled waste paper. The waste paper gives strength to the material whilst enhancing the thermal and sound insulation of the home. All decking and floorboards are made of plastic lumber, a material created from disposed plastic products produced to replicate timber. The ceramic tiles in the bathroom are made from casings of old light bulbs. Countertops are manufactured from mixed plastic waste, which offers enhanced durability and strength. Carpets are made of recycled plastic bottles. Every aspect of this building exemplifies space-saving ideals and imperative consideration for 2050's deprived society. The footprint of the house is minimal, only 9.5 meters by 5 meters, intelligently utilizing vertical space. Similarly, all vertical elements strive to increase available floor space whilst maximizing circulation flows. Consequently, the need for excess furniture is greatly reduced. The use of reused materials complements these sustainable and minimal design philosophies. This is clearly a house of the future.